Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I did these art in simple steps. So let's jump into the video. For this I'll be using green color. This is from Faces Canada. I'm gonna take a drop and I'm using this detailing brush to draw my design. So I'm gonna start by drawing the base for my design. Just draw two lines and it doesn't have to be perfect. Moving on, I'll be adding small lines on both the side of my base. Ensure the lines drawn are closer to each other. So I'm gonna repeat the process for one more time. So this is how it's gonna look like once it's done. Since the normal nail polish dries out quickly, I'm gonna take another drop and I'll be repeating the same process. Repeat the process until it looks like a pine leaf. In between, the polish might get sticky sometimes, so at that point clean the brush and start with a new drop of polish. Repeat the process until you achieve a bushy appearance. So once done, this is how it's gonna look like. Before moving on, I'll be cleaning my brush with some acetone. So for my next step, I need some light green polish. Since I don't have a light green one, I'll be mixing my green with some white polish. I'm gonna add some of these onto my design. Before moving on to this step, make sure that the polish is dried. So I'll be drawing lines with these to give them some detailing. Moving on, I'm gonna use some glitter polish to give them some detailing. So I'm gonna apply them only at few places. So once done with the pine leaves, we are gonna create cherries at the end of the pine leaves. For doing so, I'm gonna require some red polish and a dotting tool. I'm gonna create 3 cherries at the bottom of the leaves. Now I'm gonna give some detailing to the cherries. So for that, I'm gonna use some white polish. Draw a small line on the cherries so that it looks like a light reflection. So once done, this is how it's gonna look like. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.